Okay, welcome to Australian Muscle Car Sales, Muscle Car TV. Here we have for sale a just completed concourse restoration 4th month 70 XWGT. This is in the colour Starlight blue. Chris is in the cabin about to start it up for us. Magnificent car. And this one has just been completed. Mostly new old stock components, also running a slightly warm Cleveland to phase 2 spec. We saw 490 horsepower on the engine dyno. This is a magnificent car. I'll just come around the back here. So no expense spared restoration, and that's a beautiful note there from a very healthy Cleveland. We'll come up and have a look at under the bonnet. Sitting on the correct 5 slotters. Beautiful colour. This is Starlight blue. And here we have under the bonnet. All genuine in the finishes. All the fittings. Perfectly restored. This is concourse quality. Magnificent car. Okay, now for sale on the website, and just going to show you a little treat coming up. Sister car, also 4th month 70, but a genuine GDHO phase 1.5, undergoing a similar higher standard restoration, and that will be ready in the coming months. So thanks very much for your time. Hope you enjoyed the XW, and we'll be in touch soon. Thank you.